Hi guys, I'm just going to show you Poppy and her feeding her babies. I think this one's the runt of the litter and it's actually fell asleep in my hand, as you can see. So yeah, snug as a bug in a rug on my hand. Bless him. I don't know what it is yet. I think it might be like a girl. So we'll see. And now the rest are feeding off mummy. And yeah, there's 4 there. And there she is, the proud mum, Poppy Patel. You okay, Pops? Feeding your babies? So yeah, just wanted to show you the little cute cake in my hand, fast asleep. Alright guys, there'll be more videos soon. Okay, bye bye.